Welcome to the world of drywall services in San Diego, where versatility meets aesthetic appeal and structural integrity. In the midst of this vibrant city, Pacific's Finest Drywall shines as a symbol of excellence and expertise. We offer a range of services to cater to your needs. Our drywall installation ensures a seamless finish, providing fire resistance and sound insulation. But that's not all. Our drywall repair service is designed to restore not just the structural integrity of your walls but also their aesthetic appeal. And to top it off, our drywall taping service enhances durability and paves the way for easier painting. So, if you're seeking the finest drywall services in San Diego, look no further. Reach out to us at www.pacificsfinestdrywall.com or drop us an email at pacificsfinestdrywall@gmail.com. Your walls deserve the best, and the best is what we provide. Remember, when it comes to drywall, trust Pacific's Finest Drywall, where quality meets excellence.